when I came in Toulouse, in the south of France, I needed to do some things, to do actions, and not be passive about what happened around me and around the world. So I knew no one in my city. So what and I didn't knew anything about activism, and I didn't knew how to join, and I didn't even knew that I wanted to join an organization. I just knew at the time that I wanted to do something, but not how to do it. So in one summer, I just came in in a big party around alternatives and green stuff, uh, yeah, alternative stuff. And then I met some people who were involved in XR and other organization too. And this is how I joined my group where I am now, actually. So it's yeah, it was by a meeting, and it was someone who was showing me how it works and how could I join and so on. So here I have a link that I can share, which is a global XR site where is all the local groups. So you can just click on the map to see where are these groups. And so if you go to Poland, for example, in each city, you can see what are the group info. So here you have the Facebook, the Instagram. Here you have Facebook again. In Poznan, you have the mail and the Facebook page, and you can go to group to see the informations about this group. So here it's about XR Poland, and here it's about Poznan. And so this is the easiest way to know about to know if there is a group in your city, and how to contact them. And maybe I can show you an example in France, maybe in Toulouse. I hope it's working with you guys. So in Toulouse, here you have yeah, diaspora, Mastodon, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, and there is also the website. So here are the easiest way to contact your local group. But yeah, maybe it's not enough, and if sometimes people are not answering or are not so active, mainly in little groups. So you can also join on Mattermost. I can show you all the virtual ways to communicate. So here is another link that I can share, which on there is on it there is a lot of information about Mattermost, the team chat, how to join, the walkthrough, the forum, etc., the cloud, how to join, and all the tools there is with Extinction Rebellion. Yeah, so I don't want to go deep into that, but you can basically you can just go through this document. Basically, you can join in Mattermost, which is the main way to communicate inside groups and to know which are the next incoming events. So you have to install Mattermost. And I think it works online too. You don't have to install the desktop app, I think. So yeah, you just have to log in. And if you don't have any credential, you can just yeah, you have to enter your Mattermost server, and for Extinction Rebellion, it's organize.earth. In a nutshell, then you can join on workspace, which where there is all the cities you want and all the topic you want to discuss and to join. And so I can stop sharing. Yeah, this is the ways to contact your local group. So with Facebook and this is a website or with Mattermost. But I think to move into the obstacles, yeah, I think joining only with the online tools will not be the easiest way to join a group and to feel um, be part of something, to be part of a group. I think the best way to join any group is to meet people who are part of this group. So maybe on Facebook, or I don't know, you want to know when are the events, when are the protests, and just come up to this event and engage some conversations with people to let them know that you want to join and you want to do something, and then they will spend time to welcome you. And so and also these are the public groups. It's a group who are made of friends, so it's private chats or private. If you're not in the yeah, in the group, you can't know. So yeah, I think if you want to join a group, the main thing you want to do is to meet people who are in these groups